Welcome to W2 Kitchen, where today we're cooking Oyakodon. It literally translates to mother and daughter or mother and son. So we've got chicken and we've got eggs. So I've started by dicing some chicken. I'm going to slice some onion. I've got a white onion here. They're a little bit sweeter. I think that it's closer to what onions are like in Japan. And 1/2 centimeter thick slices. It's a very simple recipe. I like a little bit of green through it just because it's quite visually unappealing if there's no other colors. You could put mitsuba through this, which is Japanese parsley. Very quick to make, so it's great for if you're in a rush, you have hungry children, or you can't be bothered cooking at university. I'm going to crack 3 eggs. And then with the eggs, we don't want to break them too much, so you're tearing apart the whites and the yolks just splitting. We're going to start with some water, and then to make this really quick, dashi powder. Going to put some soy sauce in there, some mirin, and some sugar. One thing that I really like to do is, after you've diced the chicken, just with a little bit of sake, this just helps to remove the smell, coat them in the alcohol. We're going to start by cooking our onions. So we're just cooking our onions slightly. We don't want to completely cook the onions, so once it's come up to a boil, we're going to turn it down, put the chicken in around. After we put the egg in, we're going to not stir it at all, so distribute your chicken nicely. That's going to be so banging. 8 minutes. So once the chicken's in, you don't have to wait too long for it because it will cook with the eggs anyway. And you're just going to pour the eggs around. Put a lid on it. And you don't want to stir that. The beauty of it is the looseness of the eggs, a little bit of the broth coming out, and it's not bound together. It's not like an omelette. And then we're just going to let that cook for about 3 minutes. So our rice has just become ready. We're going to put some spring onions in, leave that to finish cooking. Our rice is on. Our oyakodon should be ready now. The eggs should be very loose, just cooked. Brilliant. And just to make sure they're going on correctly. Okay, that went well. So that's oyakodon done.